My favorite day of the week is Saturday. On Saturday, I don't have to go to work, so it's my day to relax and have fun. I always look forward to it. I wake up around 9 o'clock in the morning. I don't use an alarm because I want to sleep as much as I need. When I wake up, I feel happy because I don't have to rush anywhere. I go to the kitchen and make a smoothie. I put bananas, strawberries, and milk in the blender. It's healthy and tasty. Sometimes I even dance in the kitchen while making it because it's fun. After breakfast, I get dressed and go outside. Sometimes I walk in the park. Other times I visit a local market. I love the smells of fresh bread, fruits, and flowers in the market. I usually buy a small treat, like a cookie or some fruit. It's always nice to look at the colorful things in the market. At 12 o'clock, I go to an art class. I like painting and drawing, so I spend time in the class making new things. I also meet new people there, and we talk and laugh while we work. Sometimes, we help each other with our projects. In the afternoon, I meet my friends. We go to a cafe where we can sit outside and enjoy the nice weather. We talk about our week, share funny stories, and laugh a lot. We drink coffee or tea, and sometimes eat small snacks like cake or croissants. I also like to take pictures with my friends to remember the fun moments. After coffee, we often do something fun. Sometimes we go to the lake and rent a boat. Or we go for a walk around the neighborhood. We like to explore new places. Last Saturday, we went to a new park and played frisbee together. It was really fun. In the evening, I don't stay at home. I go out to listen to live music or watch a comedy show. I love to laugh, and comedy shows are always funny. Sometimes we go to a restaurant and eat something delicious like pizza or tacos. The food is always good, and we sit together, enjoy the evening, and talk. After a long day of fun activities, I go home around 10 or 11 o'clock at night. I feel tired, but very happy. I don't have to wake up early on Sunday, so I can relax more. Saturday is always a special day for me. I can do things I enjoy and spend time with friends. It's the best day of the week. Now it's your turn. Write about your favorite day.